Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax extension online. Filing an extension gives you more time to submit your tax return, typically an additional 6 months, without incurring a late filing penalty. This is especially helpful if you need more time to gather documents or complete your return accurately. Remember, an extension is for filing, not for paying your taxes. There are several straightforward ways to file your tax extension online. You can utilize the IRS Free File program, which guides you through the process. Alternatively, most popular tax software platforms provide a simple e-filing option for extensions. A very easy method is to make an estimated tax payment through IRS Direct Pay, indicating it is for an extension, which automatically submits Form 4868 for you. Before you begin, gather some key information. You will need your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number, along with your current address. It's also important to estimate your total tax liability for the year. If you anticipate owing taxes, you should include any payment you plan to make with your extension request to avoid potential penalties. It is crucial to understand what an extension does and does not do. While it gives you an extra 6 months to file your tax return, it does not extend the time to pay any taxes you owe. You must pay your estimated tax liability by the original deadline to avoid penalties and interest. The new filing deadline will typically be October 15, providing sufficient time to prepare your complete return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.